Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for April 16th to 28th. April 16th to 20th. The flow will be progressive and active, consisting of a ridge here near Alaska and the Arctic, and we have a trough in the west and the Great Lakes in the northeast. This is how we start out here first at above normal temperatures. Here's our deep low. So during this period, I want to go to a model here. I want to go to this. This is where we have a current, there'll be a series of systems that will be working across the nation during this period with this active flow that we have. And there'll be several systems at this time. And a system now here pulling out of the Rockies and into the plains. We'll reach the East Coast by the start of next week and will be accompanied by strong winds and heavy precipitation. Now, we're going to put this in motion. This will be tomorrow morning at 2 a.m. And then we go forward in time. This is the GFS. And across this area here, across parts of the northern areas, there could be some wintry precipitation. The next system will bring periods of rain and high elevation snows from the northern portions of the west coast through the northern central plains early next week. That'll be this one here. And then yet, as we go through the other period, through this period, as coming to next week, here's the next system. And then as this system moves into the plains, it will expand and rapidly intensify and bring heavy rain and possible strong to severe storms. Then this system will progress eastward. And behind the first system, temperatures will be rather cool across the east central states. And we'll have temperatures far below normal. And then with these patches of the systems, I think the temperatures will moderate quickly in the east and then cool down quickly in the east behind each of the systems. Okay, we're going to take a look at April 19th to 23rd. Here we are at the 21st. The flow remains generally unchanged. We have a trough here. We have a ridge over the western Atlantic, and we have a trough here over the northeast. And this ridge here over the western Atlantic will gradually weaken as we go through the time. So as we go through the days, you see that the ridge starts to weaken. Here's our trough over the northeast and mid-Atlantic, and we have posite anomalies develop here across northern Canada. So we'll go to the 23rd. Here we are at the 23rd. And then we take a look at the rest of the models. Here's the European weeklies. That's similar. Trough, ridge here. The ridge here weakens. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for much of the west. And we'll have anomalies near 2 degrees above normal, and below normal temperatures are forecast for this region here, with anomalies of 4 degrees below normal for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation across this whole area here, and the probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%. Now I'll look at the period for April 24th to 28th. Here we're at 28th, and we're going to take a look. Here, this is a GFS, and the GFS depicts a trough over the northwest and over the northeast. And then the European ensembles, let me see if I can get those here. And wait, which one is this? This is the European ensembles depicts a trough in the west, ridge in the east. So while the other models, like the European and the GFS, they vary differently. So forecast for the temperatures will be above normal temperatures here, little change in the anomalies. Excuse me. We have below normal temperatures across the plains to the Atlantic coast. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here and here. Probability of occurrence is 40 to 55%. Below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35%. That's the long-range weather forecast discussion for April 16th to 28th. Thanks for coming to Jim Mullins World of Weather, and have a good day.